Docking up on St. Martin's Port pretty soon here in the next hour or two. We got a shore excursion booked. It's a island tour. Got some smoothies.
So this is the lagoon. It will all depend on the boat ride, I think.
Just got done with the boat tour. Now we're back on the bus. Just gonna go back to the port, and then we're done with the excursion here in St. Martin. It's been a blast so far.
As I say, the name was changed to St. Martin, and that was the name St. Martin was given to this island in 1493 by Christopher Columbus. Oh, good, it's clear. I haven't seen this for ages. You see the island out there?
Yeah.
That is the Dutch territory, and it's called Saba, S-A-B-A, and it's famous for its flowers and hiking and flora and fauna, really. But it's one of the top 7 scuba dive spots in the world. It's used greatly for training, but it's also sort of a retreat island for a bit of zen. And it's also the island that they used to film King Kong. That was Skull Island. Lovely population that live here all the time, of over 80,000 people, and in that we have over 100 different nationalities. Now, does anybody know which island that is over to my right?
No.
Any guesses? No? Have you all heard of St. Bart's? That's it. It's a 40-minute ferry ride from here, where Heineken is $15 a bar.
As we just finished here on St. Martin, finished with our excursion, the bus tour and the catamaran tour. It was a good time. Hope you guys did enjoy it. We are ending the vlog here because we're gonna go back and take a nice nap. Catch you guys next time.